This video is in continuation to my earlier video on Dasaga 27 of Narayaniyam, Palarya Mathanam and Kurma Avatara. This video is from Sloka 6 to 11 of this chapter. Sloka 6, we are going to start. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. क्षुब्धाध्रौ क्षुभितजलोदरे तदानीं दुग्धाब्धौ गुरुतरभारतो निमग्ने देवेषु व्यथिततमेषु तत्प्रियैषी प्राणैषीः कमठतनुं कठोरपृष्ठां हरे नमः. Shubda Adrau, when the mountain used as churning rod, Shudita Jala Udare had fully stood in the waters, Tadani, then Gurudara Bharada, because of this mountain's heavy weight, Dugda Abdo Nimagne sank in the milk ocean. Deveshu Vedita Tameshu, then the Devas became very worried. Tat Priyaushi, you, Hare, well-wisher of Devas, Pranayashihi Kamathatanum, assumed a tortoise form, Kathora Prishtam, that is with a hard back. Meaning, when the Mandara mountain used as a churning rod had fully stirred the waters of the milk ocean to its depth, it sank due to its own weight. The Devas became very worried. You, who are their well-wisher, assumed the form of a tortoise with a hard back. Ajradisthirathara karparena Vishnu Vistarat Parigadalakshayojane Ambodehi Kuharagatena Vashnatvam Nirmaghram Chididaranatha Munnineta. Vishnu, O all-pervading being, Vajra Adisthira Kavarina, with a back more hard than the thunderbolt, Vajrayuta. Vashmanatvam, with such a body, Unninetha, lifted up, Nirmagram Chididaranatham, the great mountain which had sunk into the sea. Vistarat Parigada Laksha Yojanena, that is the mountain with a width extending, exceeding a lakh of yojanas. Parigada Laksha Yojanena, that is, it was exceeding a lakh of yojanas. Ambodehe Kuhara Gadena, which had sunk deep into the ocean. Meaning, Hare, Vishnu, by diving deep into the ocean, you lifted up the sinking mountain on thy back, which was harder than a thunderbolt, and more the mountain which was more than a lakh yojanas in width. Unmaghne jadidi tada dharatharendre nirmedhurdridamiha sammadena sarve avishya dvidayaganebi sarparaje vaivashyam parishamayanna vivradastan. Unmagne, the mountain having come up, then Chadidi tada, quickly, Nirmedhu dridam iha, they churned with great force, Sammadena sarve, with enthusiasm, all of them, that is Asuras and Devas together. Avishya, you entering Didayagane Abhisarparaje, in both the parties and also into the serpent Vasuki, Parishamayan, removed, Vaivashyam, their fatigue, and Abhivritha Tan, invigorated them. Meaning, when the mountain was lifted up, they, that is Devas and Asuras, all churned with great force and enthusiasm. You, entering into both the parties and also into the snake Vasugi, removed their fatigue and invigorated them. Hare. उद्धाम भ्रमणजवोन्नमद्गिरीन्द्र न्यस्तेगस्थिरधरहस्तपङ्कजं त्वाम् अभ्रान्ते विधिगिरशायदप्रमोदाद् उद्भ्रान्ता नुनुवुरुपात्तपुष्पवर्षाः. Uddhama Brahmanajava, by the powerful speed of the whirling, Unnamat Girindraha, the mountain having come up, Tvam, you, Nyasta Ega Stiratara Hasta Pankajam, placed one strong hand firmly on the mountain. Abhrande, in the heavens, Vidhi Girisha Adeyaha, Brahma, Shiva and other gods, Pramoda Dudbhranda, overwhelmed with joy, Nunuvuhu, praised thee, Upata Pushpavarshaha, and shed showers of flowers. Meaning, when the Mandara mountain rose up because of the powerful speed of the whirling, you placed thy lotus hand firmly on it to keep it in position. Brahma, Shiva and other gods in the heaven were overwhelmed with joy and praised thee, and they shed showers of flowers. दैत्योघे भुजगमुखानिलेन तप्ते तेनैव त्रिदशकुलेऽपि किञ्चिदार्ते कारुण्यात्तव किल देववारिवाहाः प्रावर्षन्नमरगणन् दैत्यसङ्घान्. Daityoghe, when the group of asuras, tapte, were scorched, Vujaga Mukha Anilena, by the fire from the mouth of serpent. Tena Eva, by that, even Tridashakule Abhi, the Devas also, Kinchidarte, were troubled a little. Karunyal Tava, by thy compassion, Hila Deva, indeed, O Gurayarpa, Varivaha Pravarshan, the clouds were made to rain, Amaraganan, on the Devas, na Daitya Sanghan, not on the Asuras. Meaning, the group of Asuras was scorched by the fire emitting from the mouth of the serpent. The Devas were also, to some extent, troubled. Oh, Gurayarpa, by thy compassion, the clouds were made to rain on the Devas to cool them, but not on the Asuras. Udbhramyal Bahudimi Nakra Chakravale Tatraptau Chiramadidevi Nirvigare Egastvam Karayuga Krishna Sarparajaha Samrajan Pavanapuresha Pahirogade. Udbhramyan, though Bahutimi Nakra Chakravale, many fish, crocodiles and other aquatic creatures were ejected, Tatra Abdo, from the ocean, Chira Madide Abhi, in spite of being churned for long, Nirvikare, remained unchanged, Ekahatvam, though alone, Samrajans, shining brightly, Karayuga Krishna Sarparajaha, with two hands pulled the two ends of the serpent king. Pavanapuresha, O Lord of Guruvayur, Pahirogat, relieve me of my diseases. Meaning, in spite of being churned for long, the ocean remained unchanged, though many fish, crocodile and other aquatic creatures were thrown up. You alone, then, shining brilliantly, with your two hands pulled the two ends of the serpent. O Guruvayurappa, relieve me of my diseases. with this 27th chapter of Narayaniyam is completed, and we will have a Bhagavad Dhyana Stotram. Om भूपादौ यस्य नाभिर्व्यदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाजा शिरोद्योर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्धस्त्वं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरगगो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यदेदं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि. हरिः ओम्.